As you are aware, Meghalaya, the Lok Sabha elections are scheduled in first phase, which will be on the 19th of April. And Meghalaya has two Lok Sabha constituencies, Silang and Tura, all together having 60 assembly segments. Silang has 36 and Tura has 24. And we are having total 3,512 polling stations and more than 22 lakh voters altogether are supposed to cast their vote in this election. So we have done all the preparation as per mandate of the Honorable Election Commission of India for free, fair, festive, inducement, free and participative elections. Yes, that is one major aspect entire world is concerned, and this time Election Commission of India has taken up as a very high priority to keep these elections clean, green and eco-friendly. As Meghalaya is very well known for its very good climatic condition and its orientation towards making our state green. So during these elections also we are taking all such efforts. So this time in each and every polling station there will be plantation by first male and first female voter on the respective booth. Moreover, we already plant pre-poll and post-poll cleaning drive in each and every polling station through involvement of the communities and more to reduce the use of single-use plastic and other non-eco-friendly items. So all the cleaning aspect, eco-friendly aspect and in respect to the same one, there is detailed instruction from the Honorable Election Commission of India. We are trying to comply our best on those parameters. Security, we are taken all the necessary measures. So this vulnerability and criticality exercise of the polling stations have been conducted. We mapped the network shadow areas, all the needful arrangement for the response system, and we are having the CAPF around 40 companies along with the state police forces. So all needful security arrangement and proper drill in respect to maintain the law and order are being ensured. The sweep program, systematic voter education and electoral participation, that has been taken up up to the booth level, and we work out the turnout implementation plan for the most of the booth and assembly segment as well as for the district. So all the booths where there are traditionally less voting, especially in the urban area, the sections like the youth, it is being taken as youth apathy, urban apathy in respect to voting, and traditionally like the Silang constituency has comparatively quite less voting if we see the assembly elections. So we have framed our entire sweep campaign booth based and different segment based, like for the youth, women, elderly people, and all the needful activities through the communities, because communities, one state having very vital role of the communities. So we are directly reaching up to the communities and engaging them, involving them. Some systems like Usongot or Duldoka, the community announcement system, through in very creative way this movement has been taken up, and we are getting very positive and very warm response from the different sections of the society, as well as for the youth mobilization, the music and especially the sports. So football is most popular sports in the Meghalaya, so we are reaching out through our election football initiative and taking youth and democracy together. So lot of receptance is coming forward, and the youth and the communities are joining. All the ELC schools are being mobilized and communities are being mobilized. The DCs are requesting them to come forward for casting their vote, voters place, and all needful measures in respect to sweep is concerned we are taking up, and we are very confident to have larger participation in each and every polling station and in both constituencies. If we see now, though, social media is very handy, it is very popular, and through social media most of the things are reaching before the formal media to the each and everybody's hand. So they are very much aware they are known, they are very open-minded, our youths are. So, and we have seen, we are having like the quiz, so are seeing larger participation from the different segment of the society. So there is the change in mindset, and moreover the issues related to the development, related to the democracy, related to the transparency, all these are the main issues among the mind of the youth and all segment of the voters. So I think the awareness level across the generations is increasing, and more the participation and awareness is concerned is being observed. Yes, now this home voting facility has been extended by the Honorable Election Commission of India for the people above 85 year, and the PWDs having more than 40% disability. So the Form 12D has been distributed in state around 21,000 people, and around more than 5,500 people, they have opted for home voting. So it is ongoing, and very warm response from the different sections we are getting, as those people, due to the their age and other challenges, they were not able to come forward up to the to cast their vote up to the polling station. So this initiative has been very warm response we are getting, and it's the entire process is going very smoothly without any complaint.